Hey everybody, welcome back to Veganuary Day 18. I've got a vegan in a hurry recipe today.
Woo!
Everybody seems to like those, so today is for a quick little lunch, or if you add some extra veggies, whatever, it's a nice dinner. It's a tofu sandwich. But the special thing about this, I mean tofu's tofu, right? The special thing about this is the dressing. This dressing is so good. I really feel in my heart that it could bring about world peace if we all just share it with each other.
That is a bold statement.
It is a good
But I
dressing.
agree.
Yeah. This is a good dressing. And when I say good, I mean great. Let's get to the tofu first. This is nothing special. I've just got a block of extra firm tofu here that I've cut open, drained out all the water. It's inconsequential. This is just the canvas for the beautiful paint that is the world peace dressing. Alright, so I used my kitchen towel, soaked up the, liquid. I'm going to go in half like this. However you guys decide to cut this up, I mean, different places, different brands of tofu have different sizes, so a sandwich size club of, chunk of tofu. So I'm going to go 3 this way. So we're going to get 6 in total. So we're just going to lay these out here. Now the trick here is we want it kind of chewy, like it's a cold cut or a fillet of some sort. So we're going to want to get all of the water out as much as we can. So I'm going to take a little bit more kitchen paper if you're in the UK. I just love that you guys say that, kitchen paper.
AKA paper towels.
Right. It's awesome. So just press on it gently. I mean, you can also get the super firm, which that's perfect. You don't have to do an effing thing to that. This one, however, it's a little bit more work. But also, the super firm is a little bit pricier. So do you want to pay the extra for the convenience, or do you want to just sop it up a little bit? I could go either way. So we're just going to hit this with a little red hot seasoning. I like to buy this instead of the sauce because there's no oil in here. Gigi said that's very
No
important.
oil!
No oil! So this is all the flavor without all of the guilty oil. You could also just use any of your favorite seasoning salt just to give it a little flavor, because let's face it, this is a real blank canvas. I'm just going to dust each side of these, and then I'm going to flip it over. It's going to be a little wet. You're going to lose some, so maybe put a little bit extra because, like I said, you don't want it to be flavorless. So I've got my oven preheated to 375 already. I'm going to lay these out on some parchment paper, just so they don't stick. Is there any good way to do this?
I don't know. You're doing tofu Tetris.
Kind of, yeah, exactly. Oh, I guess you can go right there. So we're going to pop those in 10 to 15 minutes. One side, flip it over, same thing. While this is cooking, we're going to do the dressing. We did this in yesterday's video, and it's that special that we need to do it again. All right? It's time. So simple, it will blow your socks off. That's the beauty in this, the simplicity, but the flavor is anything but simple. It's amazing. All right, I have my salad dressing mixer, shaker. It's nice because it has the markings on here. I don't have to dirty a measuring cup because you know how much I hate to measure things.
We know.
So we're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of the tahini. I got a beautiful organic one from my supermarket, which is so nice. They just started carrying this organic line that is like the store brand. So nice. Already measured out a 1/3 cup of water. Very uncarefully measuring 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Whoa. What the heck?
It said world peace! And then a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic, or 1 like pulverized garlic clove, like in a garlic press, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. And you guys know I always recommend the Himalayan sea salt because it's so much better for you than regular table salt. It's got a ton of minerals in there and stuff that you need. Stuff you need. So we're just going to take this and shake it up. You don't even have to spend money on a shake weight. You got one right here. Alright, it looks really thin right now. Just like it did yesterday when we made this. Trust, it's going to thicken up as you let it sit. So you're going to let this sit while your tofu is cooking. Then we will meet right back here with the goods. Okay, we back. Alright, here we go. I've got a perfectly toasted bagel.
Ooh.
Here's the tofu right out of the oven. I'm gonna be a pig today, and I'm gonna do 2.
We'll be pigs.
Right?
You're a real
you know
Griswold.
what? I want to put my hummus on first, because I'm gonna be decadent
Fancy.
today. I'm gonna be decadent. You know, hummus adds a lot of flavor to everything, and you can't go wrong with hummus. It's not that high in calories or fat, so it's just a beautiful thing. This is like the mayo. So we're just gonna do that much hummus. We're going to do 2 of these.
Wow.
So beautiful. We're going to use a little spring mix.
Ooh, that is going to be so nice.
Right? Oh, it's just falling off. It's so good. And we've got some cherry tomatoes.
Are you planning on these things actually staying on
Nope.
the sandwich?
It's supposed to spill out like incredible. Now we're going to get ready for this. Get ready for world peace to break out. Oh yeah. Nobody said this was going to be not messy.
It's going to be very messy.
Oh my god, the hummus is peeking out the top.
Oh my gosh, and you're going to cut it?
Yep. I know, we're fancy today, right?
Yup.
Normally we would just eat it like this.
Just go to town.
Oh,
Whoa.
yeah. Hello.
Hi.
I see we have our taster here.
Woo! You know, just cash today.
You were just shoveling, so she
Yeah.
just got out of the shower. Shoveling the snow.
Right. What did you think I was shoveling? You got some horses around or something? Anyway, I just wanted to make a note of this cozy sweatshirt that I'm wearing today. It is by Sun-Dried Sundries.
I love it.
And we're so excited to support such a great company because they donate some of their profits to animal sanctuaries around the world. So if you guys want to check out what they have a lot of really great tees, hoodies, and sweatshirts with awesome vegan messages. So
Yeah.
if you want to check it out, we will put the link for them below. And happy shopping.
All right, now
Okay.
it's time to taste. This looks beautiful.
I'm a little scared because this is a mess.
It's messy.
It's a mess.
I
but
should
it's a
have wrapped
beautiful
it up
mess.
in like some paper.
What are
and
you,
then-
a deli?
Yeah, you could have eaten it like a hero.
Okay. Oh no! Oh no! I'm destroying your lunch right now.
I know.
Oh whoa! Wow.
World peace.
That is like how I feel right now.
You're just licking your foot.
No. Just like I
Yeah.
can't describe it. But that's really good.
All right.
That's really good.
How can I follow that?
I want you to try it, but I can't take the camera because my hands are gross, so.
All right. Well, we'll
Just
be
take my
eating,
word for
we'll be
it. It's
eating it for
amazing.
lunch because
Yeah.
we have many more here to enjoy.
Oh, yes.
Guys, give it a thumbs up for Veganuary. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. Subscribe for more recipes after Veganuary as well. And until next time, much love.